What's up, guys? This is Patch here from 60-Second Lessons. Today we're going to be talking about Visual Studio Code and how you can set it up. Let's get started. So here's some things to know about it. It is minimal, powerful, free, and open source. It's the most popular code editor in 2020. Here's how to download it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go to code.visualstudio.com, click the download button. Once it's on your computer, double click to install it. You're gonna follow the installation prompts, and that's pretty much it. You're gonna be all set to go. And then once you're all set, here's a couple extensions you should download. Number 1, Prettier, which formats your code. Number 2, Live Server, hot reload functionality on your local server. Number 3, Live Share. You can share a live coding session with another developer. Number 4, Debugger for Chrome, which helps you debug your code. That is it, guys. You got this. Thanks for watching.